This is the aptly named wandering garter snake. He may seem out of place, but he's here to eat. The water here is more than 10 degrees colder than the air. But that doesn't deter this intrepid hunter from taking the plunge. Under the water, there is an abundance of food, if you can catch it. Snakes are cold-blooded, so he can't stay in these chilly waters for long. Back in the sunshine, he warms his head, perhaps sharpening his senses, and then, with a gulp of air, he continues his hunt. He's got something. A small fish. Now he has to land it. Success. For those animals able to cross the divide between land and sea, there are surprising rewards.